These are fruits. Fruiting.
These are variety of fruits plants that we sell here.
Quite exotic also, no?
Yeah, but all tropical.
Yeah.
There's nothing non-tropical
It's
here.
nice. It's nice.
This is very interesting. Strawberry guava. You know, when they are ripe, you mix them with pomegranate. You won't know which is pomegranate, which is guava. Yeah.
What is this one now?
It's a strawberry guava.
So what's
Yeah, Pisidium only, but another variety. Leaves are a little different, but grows well in the tropical region. I had planted for one hotel. They got the first fruit already.
Oh,
Yeah,
what kind
yeah.
of jackfruit it is? It looks very different, no?
Yeah, this is different. This is marang. You know,
yeah.
this jackfruit, what you see, it's not like our jackfruit, doesn't grow on the bark.
Okay.
It's a terminal.
I see.
Like mangoes, how you
I
get?
see.
Like, but small, they're very small.
Small
But taste like jackfruit.
and
This is a
Tempanda.
rare jackfruit.
okay.
Yeah.
From Thailand, red.
Yeah, we get lots of plants from Thailand, Malaysia, or any tropical region I go, I buy plants.
The big question: why doesn't avocado fruit in Goa in
Very
many
good
cases?
question. I saw a little debate on our
Yeah,
group, which I don't want to comment, but
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing. Emily, I just,
Listen,
there's a good question that you asked.
Yeah, why did
About avocado, think why it doesn't flower. You know, if the plant comes from tropical region, very important, doesn't need to come from Kerala or Bangalore, it can come from
Mexico.
Bangalore. But also avocado is a tropical plant. Of course, it grows well in Israel. If you have been there, they grow very well.
really?
Yeah, but it loves tropical and it does well in Goa.
yeah.
If you want early fruit, remember you have to take a graft. Any fruit tree, first pick up a graft. But there are some plants, you can't get grafts. Also, they flower early, like custard apple. If you grow from the seed, you may not get through to the type. The one that you have same taste, you may not get. But they flower in 6 months. You put guava seeds, it will take any number, and you don't know what you're going
Custard
to
apple fruits in 6 months,
get.
6 months?
6 months it start flowering.
flowering and
Within a
fruiting
year's time, you get a fruit.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
From the seed, huh?
from the seed.
But from the graft,
Yeah.
advantage you get
True
what
to
you
type.
ate at the table.
So you all have avocado grafts also?
Yeah, we have
Nice.
avocado, yes. Yeah.
No, but why doesn't it fruit? All the plants, why do they not
They're
flower?
growing from the
why
seed
do they
now.
not flower? Not necessarily.
Avocado.
Even
No,
if it's a graft.
give me
Even
an
graft.
example.
Even if it's a graft, why should a graft take 3 to 4 years to?
No, I'll tell you why it should take. See, when you graft, you take a small stick, first of all. And you, by time, in 1 year's time, all nurserymen want to sell it. Because the minute you keep it for a longer time, your cost of looking after everything goes up. So you buy normally a plant which is about 2 feet. I mean,
Yes,
general. I'm
general.
talking. It has to, there's something called CN ratio, carbon nitrogen ratio. And that can happen only when the plant body is like a young girl wants to have a child. It's not possible. So it
Just
has to
come to
mature,
maturity, come to maturity.
and then you can. So the same thing with the plants. It has to mature, it has to have a proper foliage and proper manure
Produce
also.
enough food.
Manure is one thing, people don't feed the plant once a year. Badakas do that. Madang sare varsa ek bar galtat. No, that is not correct. So you feeding of plants, I'm not talking about the big trees. All these plants you must feed them every month.
Every month.
Month.
Oh,
We eat 3 times a day. Every month at least we must give to the plants. So it is very important to feed the plants every month, loosen the soil, talk to them is the most important. The most important. Touch them, say hi, how are you, you're doing well,
They have feelings, no?
caress them. Then you'll see magic in the plant.
They have feelings.
Feelings.
now,
100%.
When you talked of CN ratio is for all fruiting plants.
All plants,
All plants,
even flowering
irrespective.
plants.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Talking about fruiting plants, what are the most exotic varieties you have?
We have 3 types of jackfruits.
Yeah.
We have gumless jackfruit now. You know, people
Dig,
are
dig.
opening, they
Without
don't want to dig. They
Without
don't want to
dig.
open because of that headache. So we have that. We have another variety which is produces the whole year.
I see.
I'm talking about jackfruit. And we also have the red jackfruit, which you see there.
Yeah. You also have that.
Yeah, and we also have very sweet jackfruit. But these new jackfruits, no, they are not huge like ours. They're small. You know, good idea.
tasty.
See, for marketing, no, that's the best. You can carry on your scooter or in a small bag. It is big, then whatever. Somebody you want to carry. So, but the jackfruits are same. Fruit is, and supposed to be, jackfruit is supposed to be one of the healthiest
Yeah.
fruit. They make biryani out of it. You heard about it?
Really? Where?
In Malaysia.
I see.
And most delicious, I believe. Now they have started in India. It's a big thing about jackfruit, but not the ripe one. You use semi-ripe
Yeah.
and you cut you want. There's a process. You can't make out whether you're eating chicken or jackfruit.
Once I got a manuscript of 114 jackfruit recipes from Sri Padre, the journalist, from a lady in Hubli. Unfortunately, it was in Kannada, so I could not publish it, translate it. But it's fascinating. 114 jackfruit recipes.
So like this, we have mangoes also today, which flowers throughout the year.
Baramasi.
Not
Baramati,
this
yeah.
we have imported from.
I see.
This I think this we imported from Thailand.
I see.
We multiply now here. Flowers throughout the year.
Fruits throughout the year.
Throughout the year.
Any risk of importing a crop? You have to take precautions.
Risk is everywhere.
Yeah.
Whether it's plants or animals or
Human
food,
beings.
anything. Yeah.
Pandemics.
Yeah. Anything can. There is a risk.
Yeah.
Acclimatization
But
also
if you
problem.
go through a proper process, you
Yeah.
can reduce the risk. I won't say you can 100% reduce everything.
Yeah.
Not possible.
all plants don't get acclimatized.
But no, why? If it's
They do.
tropical region,
They
it
do.
is there.
Oh.
If you buy from non-tropical regions, then you don't know. People, you know what happens? You get excited. You go to Europe. Oh wow! You keep collecting those plants. You bring them here, they're gone.
Goan plants will grow in Europe.
Not everywhere. In south of Portugal, for example, bougainvilleas, they do grow there. I have seen
I
myself.
see.
I had sent mangoes to Lisbon.
Yeah.
Big trees, huh? I think that size of that plant graft was about 4-5 meters. But we got all the permissions
Yeah.
through the consulate, and it was flown from here. And I went to
5
see.
meters tall.
I went to see that plant after 20 years.
Which
I-
plant?
Mango,
A mango tree 5 meter tall.
In
was
Lisbon, there is a garden.
Ah.
The lady who was in charge,
Botanical garden.
yeah, you know, like a botanical
I
garden. So she created that with a lot of buildings around. So she showed me the trees that I had sent. And there were mangoes that time.
You had sent.
I had sent
to
from,
her.
yeah. We gave them free that time. I said, chalo, it's my honor. I said, please take it.
In return for what that was brought here. Many things were brought here, no?
Yeah.
In those days.
Yeah, oh, lots of things. Arabs brought lots of things here. Like yesterday, I was there for more than 40 minutes, I think. Then I liked her. She knows her subject very well, Anna. But
Anna.
I got little disappointed when they say these things ingredients are not available. Then what do I cook?
There was another lady called Cornelia Santoro from Sangolda who wrote a book on Mediterranean cooking for India with Indian recipes.
Acha?
With Indian ingredients,
Ingredient,
Indian ingredients. So how to adjust. It's tough, it's
Yeah,
tough.
but what she says, you can't get
Everything.
the original
The
taste.
flavor.
Anyway, we have to go there
I
and
missed
eat.
the talk.
Why not go there and eat?
Some things have come down in a big way, like for example this, what's that? Our caboose, no, falafel. Shawarma.
Shawarma, yeah.
Shawarma in the last 20 years has become a Goan dish now.
Yeah.
They do it as if it's their
Chicken
own.
shawarma.
Chicken
Yeah.
shawarma.
I remember eating of the horse meat in Bahrain in 1982. That is totally different from what I eat here.
I see. Total taste is different.
Totally.
Horse?
Here, I think we put add a lot of spices for people. You know, other people
Yeah.
are not used to eating bland food.
You spent some time in the Gulf also.
Me, no, not work.
Okay.
I went on business. Yeah.
Do you have the jabotica plant?
Yeah, it should be there. I don't know the stock, but we keep them.
What's the jabotica?
You know, like jackfruit, how you
Yeah.
get fruit on the bark?
Yeah.
They grow on the bark.
I see.
In Goa,
It's
there
the
are
same
already
as the
people-
Zogma family.
I see.
Jagams, we have the Jagma.
Yeah.
It's the same family.
Japonica, yeah. So these are variety of. Besides this, we have many more.
Custard apple is very fashionable now. Sitafal Island. Sitafal Island.
Yes. You know, in Sitafal also, Sitafal is just like custard
Yeah.
apple, really. But this grows big
Yeah.
and
Yeah, I'm just at a meeting.
and little sourish. As a child, I disliked. I remember my father used to love it, but I love it so much.
What?
Sitafal,
Sitafal.
ox heart. It is also
Ox
known as
heart.
ox
That is the bull's heart.
Sasap is the cancer one, no? Sasap.
Sasap,
Sasap
yeah.
has become very fan.
Palpanos is the correct word in Konkani.
Palpanas it is.
Yes.
Neerpanas,
Not
Palpanas.
Neerpanas.
Neerpanas is different.
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
Yeah.
Palpanas.
Yeah.
So they all
Even
treat it
the
as
leaves
panas.
you can boil
Make a
and
tea
drink.
of.
I
they
see.
make a tea.
Decoction of the
Who
leaves.
knows, no? Who knows, no? What works? We
We'll
really
just
don't
go
know.
there. Then I'll take you to the fruiting section.
They detox with that also.
Detox for what?
For
Drugs?
Cancer.
Cancer.
Oh, for kids.